In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can set a Spotify playlist to private. Okay, so all you need to do is launch up Spotify and then tap on your library at the bottom right. Then it's going to list all your playlists. So if you go ahead and tap on one of them, I'm just going to tap on this one. It'll load up the playlist and then you can see 3 vertical dots at the top right. It might be slightly different location on an iOS device, but find the 3 dots and tap on that. Then you want to scroll all the way to the bottom and then it says make secret. If you go ahead and tap on make secret, it says the playlist is now secret and your followers won't be able to see the playlist and only you will be able to see it. So if you decide that you want to go ahead and make it public again, all you need to do is tap on the 3 dots again, scroll to the bottom and then tap on make public. So that is how you set a Spotify playlist to private or secret. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.